Hello guys! Welcome to another episode of the Cuticle Channel. Sa mga bago sa aming channel, welcome. Today is still part of the quarantine. It's so freaking boring. We don't know what to do. At nakakadagdag pa sa stress is yung internet connection namin is paputol-putol. We don't know what's going on. We are here in Talisay City. It's in the heart of the city and I don't know why the internet is freaking bad. It's intermittent. I have this. Actually, napanalunan ko to siya sa isang contest. Luckily, binigay nila sa akin to. I think this is the best time for us to use this Globe Streamwatch Xtreme Prepaid 3-in-1. 3-in-1 kasi parang may mga channels, tapos may karaoke, tapos may internet sa Wi-Fi. We will be unboxing this one, so let's go! So, I got a good spot here para magluluto lang ako. So, the very first thing that you have to check kung may bibili ko yung product is if sealed pa yung product. So, can you please focus this one here? May sealio pa. So, that means hindi pa ito nabubuksan. So, this is a brand new product. And by the way, when I got this one, the price of this product was 4,999 pesos. Ano? 4,000. Tama ba? 4,000 na ba yun? Nasaan yun? Yeah. It's 4,999, but at the time that I got, or by the time that I won this this device, binibenta nila ng 2,999 as the promotional price. Kasi kakalabas lang ng product na to. Ewan ko kung magkano yung price nito ngayon. So let's start opening it. Ayan guys, ano ba to? Oh, so I guess may parang may SIM ata siya. So wala nang laman, so baka dito sa loob. Tapos, I suppose this is the manual. So, this is really intended for TVs. So, I don't know kung ano yung laman dito. Di din namin alam kung paano to gamitin. Baka required din ng internet connection if you watch TV. So, we will try that one later on. So, we have the remote control. Saka ito yung actual router. May paglalagyan siya ng Ethernet cable, tapos yung anong tawag ng wire na doon ikakabit sa Ethernet cable for HDMI kung applicable, tapos may optical, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. WPS, we still have to figure out what that is. So we have the charger. No, hindi to charger. Ito yung adapter kasi it needs electricity, so dito yun. Ayan. So, ano ba to? Parang antenna. Di yata dyan. May ano pa sila may remote control. May remote control. May batteries para sa remote. So let's use this. By the way, I would like to say thank you to Pyramid. The Pyramid, yung nasa IT Park na ano ba yun? Restaurant. Kasi yun yung nagpa-contest na singing contest. Tapos yun yung sinalihan ko. So, di ba ang galing? Galing ko kaya? Ayan guys, we have the batteries in sa ating remote. Yung may ilaw-ilaw. Galing niya. Tapos, ito guys, okay. But you know what guys, the funny thing is, not really funny, but the most interesting is, magnet siya. So di ko alam kung bakit may magnet.
Paano masabi?
How do you know that's magnet?
Magnet kasi dumikit yung kanina, yung battery ito. Dumikit yung mga metal.
Hindi totoo yan.
Hindi naman.
Or baka guni-guni ko lang yun. Wait lang, hanapin ng metal. Pero anyway, ito yung dito, I suppose, kasi tugma eh. Hindi ko lang alam. Ako lang yung nag-unbox and nagbabasa ng manual. But this is right. Ayan. So, ito yung magsisilbing, kung ano man. Ito yung magsisilbing antenna. Yan. So, we can put this somewhere sa mataas na lugar pa makahagilap. Makahagip. Ano ba? Para makakuha ng signal. Ayun.
Diyos Marios.
Tapos ito ba? Ano to? Guys, ano to? Okay. May lang pala, parang may cap. So ito, I'm sure dito to. Feeling ko ano to, since may antenna siya, baka pwedeng yung mga network television channels, ayusin natin ng pag-pronounce kasi ang daming perfect. So yan guys. So, ano pa ba? So wala nang laman. So the last item na andito is ito lang yung AC/DC. So, ito yung ginagamit na pang-connect ng TV. Oh no, hindi pala. No, hindi. Ano siya? Receptors pala siya. So, ito yung parang, magbabasa na tayo ng manual kasi.
Okay guys, so I have to butt in kasi
Ayan, rescue to the rescue.
to the rescue. Kasi kanina pa kung gustong
Ayan o.
i-check
Sabi
yung
dito,
laman ng box kasi matagal na kasi namin to at hindi namin na-open kasi
matagal
balak
na.
naming ibenta siya. But yun, I think walang nagkaka-interest. Ngayon, wala kaming internet kaya naisipan naming i-open yung box. Yung box.
Look at it. Parang same sila.
I think sa ano yan, Roku.
Hindi yan sa Roku.
Ipakita
Sa
ko,
ano
guys.
yan? Sa TV Plus.
Sa TV
Ah,
Plus.
abs-cbn, TV
So,
Plus.
ano yan?
Plus yung guys.
So,
TV
parang-
Plus, baka naman. Chance.
Baka same sila ng
Feature,
same sila ng
function.
features ng ng TV Plus. Pero ito 3-in-1 kasi to. So may Wi-Fi na siya. Tapos
May Wi-Fi, may TV
May-
channels,
tapos
at
may
may
karaoke.
karaoke. Kaya meron siya for the microphone. If may microphones kayo, microphones. Ito, so may dalawang microphones. So pwede kayo mag-duet.
Ah.
So dalawang microphone.
So now I understand why ito yung naging price ng yung karaoke
Kaya,
channels na ano.
kaya din may
So this is
ganito.
for karaoke.
Kaya din may ganito kasi ito yung magko-connect from here to the TV.
TV tsaka sa speakers kasi you need the this is for the video and this is for both left and right.
Yes.
Alam ko yan eh.
Alam ko yan eh.
So ito, i-connect nyo lang to dito. Yan. Tapos, pwede na natin i-connect sa TV. Or, if gusto nyo lang gamitin yung Wi-Fi,
Pwede din.
pwede din na hindi nyo i-connect sa TV.
Ito pala yung number ng SIM So we will disclose it to you. Hindi naman yan pwedeng matawagan kasi this is not intended for cell phone. So
Loadan nyo daw, guys.
loadan nyo na lang guys.
Pwede yan guys, na loadan nyo na lang. Pero, great thing is, may preload siya ito.
May preload ba?
May, ano siya, yun, may free 10 gigabytes na load.
Wow.
Na data.
Wow!
I-scan nyo lang tong yung QR code, tapos yan na. Ito yung gamit para scan guys, ito din. Yan. Kidding.
So ayan guys, we're done unboxing this.
So, ang laman niya is
Device.
yung hindi charger, yung power adapter,
Yung
yung
remote.
antenna, yung remote, may free na na batteries, yung AV audio and video na mga wires, at saka yung modem,
Adapter. Adapter ba tawag ito?
Wire.
adapter or
Adapter.
yes. So ito lang, remote, yung router, yung power adapter, yung
wire
antenna.
para sa antenna, tapos yung actual antenna.
yung manual, yung
Manual.
SIM, and I think nandito na yung SIM. We will check later if yun, eto. So dito nakapasok yung SIM. So nakalagay dyan, do not tamper. So dito kasi parang in-insert na yung SIM.
Saka may nakalagay dito do not eat.
Do not yun
Funny.
guys. So we will test this now sa TV namin.
Okay.
And check
We'll try if may karaoke nga.
and check if may internet na kami kasi wala talaga kami internet. And hopefully makaka-upload kami ngayon.
Okay.
Pag na-upload yung video to, meaning successful to nga. So let's try finding out.